Bismillah ar-Rahman Rahim. Good afternoon, boys. Thank you so much for your participation during the class. As you know, we have finished the story and some part of the exercise. So let us revise all the important points that we have learned in this story. How the moon was kind to her mother. Let me give you a conclusion, a summary, brief overview of this story. As you know that there were three sisters, sun, wind, and moon. All right. And their mother was a pale yellow star. So one day, what happened? Their uncle and aunt, thunder and lightning, they invited them to have supper. Supper as dinner, right? So the mother said, "Okay, you can go, and I'll wait for you until you'll come back, right? And I'll ask you about your pliant, happy. Pliant mean happy with it, right?" So what happened then? The sun with the dress of gold, wind in her trailing dress, and the moon in a wonderful gown of silver color. They went to the party. The party was amazing. The dinner was amazing. The things that they saw in the dinner was ice cream, cakes, and the fruits from every part of the world. And the table was spread with the cloth of rainbow. So what happened that sun and wind, they ate everything, right? Like they were so greedy. But the moon took care of her mother. How the moon, hide some part of her supper in her long white fingers. And then when they came back home, the mother asked them that, "Did you bring anything for me?" So the son very rudely replied that, "No, I was not supposed to bring anything for you. I went for my own pleasure." Same is the case with the wind. Wind said, "I went there to enjoy myself. Why should I think of you when you were not with me, right?" But the moon, as we saw, he was thinking about she was thinking about her mother when she was having supper with her uncle and aunt. So she gave her the half of half of her supper to her mother. And when she ate, she talked to all these three sisters. The mother told to the son that you were so selfish and thoughtless, and you think only about yourself. So from this day, your rays will be so hot that they'll burn everything they touch, and people will cover their heads when you appear. And also, she cursed to the wind as well. She said that you are also greedy and unkind, and now you will blow in the heat of your sister, sun, and no one will love you anymore. But the mother said to the moon that you are very kind and you will be blessed for all the time. She said, your light will be cool and calm and beautiful, and you'll make the dark night bright. So that's it. That's the story. As yesterday, I've showed you the answers of all these 7 questions. So let me tell you the answer of question number 5. Here you see, we can see the 5 words, the highlighted words. If you take a look back to the story, here you can see the blue highlighted word: supper, pliant, gown, right? And slender, unpliant. So let me tell you the meanings of these words. A dress means a gown, nice means pliant, dinner is supper, thin is slender, and not nice is unpliant. Then I ask you about these 4 different conditions, situations, right? If a blind person is standing at the zebra crossing, waiting to cross the road, what will you do? Definitely, you will help him to cross the road, right? And your grandma is trying to carry heavy bags up to the stairs. What you can do that you can take bags from her and you can carry up to the stairs. Your friend can't do his or her maths homework. You can help him or her if you know the answers, right? And your little brother is crying because he can't find his study. You can help your younger brother to find his study, or you can, give him anything else so he can become happy. So that's it, boys. Let me show you the answers of all the questions. Here you can see the answers. Dress, gown, nice, pliant, dinner, supper, thin, slender, not nice, unpliant. Okay, so that's it. Let me show you your homework as well. Your homework for today is page number, just give me a moment. Yesterday I gave you the page number 12. Today your homework is page number 13. All right. So complete your homework. Also solve your Kahoot quiz. And I'll see you in the next class. Thank you so much for listening. Goodbye for today.